This is the instructions for the Web Design Chapter 1 tag worksheet. This is the only time I'll make a video for the instructions, but since this is our first chapter, I want to make sure that you are writing both tags like you are supposed to. So the directions say type the opening and closing tag next to each description. So all you need to do, there are 7 different tags that we need to write in the angle brackets what they are, and each one is worth 2 points, which comes up with your total of 14 points for this assignment. And we'll have to do, for the paragraph tag, we would do our first angle bracket, P for the paragraph tag, and our angle bracket. And you also need to type the closing tag as well. So I'm just going to put the exact same tag, but this time with a / on it. And you'll do that for each of those tags, and it's going to be the exact same thing as you go throughout the different chapters where we still have tag worksheets.